feel like I should sing a song from Frozen or something, but I won't torture you. Anyway, here we go, into the great unknown. That's from Frozen 2, I think. Oh, crap. Everything is frozen. But we're riding a bike in the snow. And that's what's fun. And I'm not sure why my seatbelts won't stay up. That's not bad. Must be cold. We'll fix that later, I guess. Good thing we're not riding far. Just testing things out. Let's see how it is on deepness. Nice. It's like the... I think it's the loose. It's probably got some frozen snow in it. Oh wow, this is going great. Except for the seatbelts. It's not getting hit by the snowblower. Recently upgraded to a XX1 chain. It is awesome. I don't know why it doesn't come stock. It's not that expensive an upgrade. It makes the GX like unreal. God, you can't hit corners that fast. You guys go, winter riding at its finest. Nice and powdery, it's a lot easier to ride in than the last video I made. Last two videos, actually. My only beef is with my dropper post right now. Should probably pay attention to where I'm going. Hit a slidey part. Alright. Here we go again. There's a lot of snow hitting me in the face. My glasses are fogging up. It's hard to see the tire tracks. Hopefully this ride will help get the orange seal sealed. And get maybe a little more time out of this wheel before I gotta get it fixed. The bike's out of commission. Or I gotta spend a bunch of money on a new wheel. Now let's see if we can get around here. Nice. A little sliding. A little stuck. Oh, here comes a plow. Should probably get out of that guy's way. Tractor. Thanks again for coming on the winter ride. Take care.